Hi, if you're watching this video, we have gotten your application here at Absolute Wireless, your neighborhood Sprint store. Listen, we are in 5 different states, and this is our hiring strategy is to send you an email link to an app called Marco Polo. Marco Polo is how we do our hiring. So all you got to do is download the app, and it's super simple. Just go to your Google Play Store or your iPhone, iTunes app, all that hocus pocus, and look up Marco Polo. It's a video walkie-talkie app. And then install that. Now mine says open because I already got it on my phone. So I'm going to hit open, but you can see we are there. And this is how this is going to work. We have a little icon. This is the link that I'm putting in this email to our group. So all you got to do is take your phone out, click that link, and it will actually, if you don't have Marco Polo, it's going to take you to install it. You install it, and you're going to be in this window right here. And you're going to see that little big, that big start button. You're going to click that button, and you're going to say your first and last name in the city and state that you're in. Maybe you say something cool about yourself. What makes you special? And then hit the stop button. That's going to notify us, and we'll start a dialogue with you. Now, if you don't hear from us or it takes a while, my apologies, but we will get to you ASAP, and hopefully there's an opportunity here at Absolute Wireless. We are looking for solid team members who have energy. We have 6 things in our value statement: integrity, caring about the customer, adaptability, accountability, respect, and excitement. It's called occur. Anyway, that's our value statement. That's how we've become the fastest growing business in Nashville, Tennessee, 2 years in a row. And we are looking for excitable people who take care of people. And if you're the right fit, I'd love to see your face and have a conversation. Thank you very much.